The Voice Vista Podcast, venture by Pooja Prasoon.
Welcome to The Voice Vista. This is Life Unfiltered, a candid podcast with Tushar Patwardhan.
Hello, check. Start करूं? As cricket is every boy's first love, so is football. If you don't see a boy playing cricket, chances are he's playing football instead. And I was no exception to this. Football has always been my first love in sports. I'm really mad for it. It runs in my blood. If I see football being played somewhere, I'm just lost. I wait there, I see the match being played, and sort of cheer from outside as well. It's exactly like Indians have love for their cricket, who flock to see matches being played on the grounds. Or the best example is if there's a match going on and you can see the Pagalpan besides or outside the TV shop. So football is absolutely same for me. Sala, I had been to Australia and didn't lose a chance to play there with them too. इतना पागल मैं फुटबॉल के लिए. And the reasons for this go back right from my school days, continued in 11th, 12th, where I represented my college, and well, during engineering, it was at Epitome. I scored a goal for my college and it is a small tournament, big tournament doesn't make a difference for me, but I scored a goal, and next day what? In Pune Sakar, it had news coverage. And a friend of mine gets it to the college and like it's a big thing. अरे अपने दोस्त का नाम पेपर में आया है. I mean it's a big thing for me. सर 2 दिन नींद नहीं लगा यार. But that's what life is. So this is what all football means for me. You would say फुटबॉल फीवर तो यूरोप में बहुत सुना है, साउथ अमेरिका में बहुत सुना है. ये अलग फुटबॉल फीवर क्या चीज है? अरे ये वो वाला फीवर नहीं है, ये एक्चुअल वाला फीवर है. एक्चुअल बोले तो फुटबॉल 102 फीवर में खेलने वाला फीवर. लेट मी कम टू द पॉइंट. गैदरिंग मैचेस, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज माहौल, गुड टाइम टू इंप्रेस गर्ल्स, probably the only time. बाकी कॉलेज में हम आते कहाँ है. सो इट्स लाइक दैट ओकेजन वेयर वी कैन रियली इंप्रेस. एंड जम गया तो अपना भाई. वी हैड वन द फर्स्ट मैच and I caught fever in the afternoon. Second match was tough, and I, being the key player, couldn't afford to be out. We win this match, and next one was easy one, and then the finals. Usko dekha jayega. So we had to win this one. Whole team comes to my room. That's typical mahol, 2-3 beds and 10-12 bachche log आसपास. So it's like a typical engineering room, and like lot of rush around, मस्ती चल रही है रूम में. And पट्टू उद्या तू पाहिजेस. And I was like, guys, 102 ताप आहे, 102 तापात कोणी फुटबॉल खेळतं का? And they're like, we don't know anything. We want you to be on the ground tomorrow. That's all. खुजली अपने भी कम कहा है. I go to doctor and told him that I want to play a match tomorrow. I didn't ask him. I told him I want to play a match. And the best thing that I put up was, what worse can happen? Point blank question. He was like, "Are tu veda iska?" And then after a pause, he realizes that, well, he's come with a decision. And then he just says, "Okay, tula je hava te kar." And that's exactly what I want to hear. Next day, I'm on ground. My room partner and 2 other mech guys literally drove me to the ground. I played with 102 fever, scored twice in first half. My work is done. And my room partner drives me back. We win the next match too, which I miss obviously, only to lose in the finals in the tiebreaker when actually I was in, but साला वो match था ही वैसे. No regrets. Now, is this foolishness playing in 102 favor? I don't think so. In fact, I didn't think so then too, nor now. We all have a habit of living life in a comfort zone, in boundaries marked with very high safety, and normally we would not do such crazy things. But I did that until today. When I think about it, it gives me super energy. अरे वो बोलते ना एड्रेनलिन रश वो हो जाता है. Happiness beyond measurement. It makes you believe in your ability to perform in most adverse conditions. You become an achiever. And this comes when सामने आपका जो लक्ष्य है वो ही आपका पैशन भी है, वो ही आपका जुनून हो जाता है, वो ही आपका पागलपन हो जाता है. And there is no better way than sports teaching you these lessons. Happiness and passion going together. Guys, take risks. Gains and happiness are exponentially large. Believe me. Do this junoon wala pagal wala cheez and you'll come to me saying, Tushar, you were right. Thank you.
Thank you for tuning into the Voice Vista podcast. आप और भी इंटरेस्टिंग शो सुन सकते हैं thevoicevista.in पर. ये शो कॉन्सेप्चुअलाइज किया है पूजा प्रसून ने, प्रोड्यूस किया है द वॉइस विस्टा ने. गेस्ट कोऑर्डिनेशन में हमारे साथ रही सुनीता जी चौहान. डिजाइन किया है टीम क्रिएटर्स डेन ने. साथ ही एडिटिंग और प्रोडक्शन के लिए धन्यवाद टीम लर्निंग बी को. प्रोमो वॉइस दिया है राहुल ढोले ने. लाइक, फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.